Hello and welcome to Genius Glimpse. Today, we're diving into a monumental achievement in space exploration, India's first solar observation mission, Aditya L1. On Saturday 6 January 2023, Aditya L1 reached the destination in space from where it will be able to continuously watch the Sun. The spacecraft has been traveling towards the Sun for 4 months since liftoff on 2 September. Aditya L1 is named after Surya, the Hindu god of the sun, who is also known as Aditya. L1 stands for Lagrange point 1, the exact place between the Sun and Earth where the spacecraft has now reached. According to the European Space Agency, a Lagrange point is a spot where the gravitational forces of two large objects such as the Sun and the Earth cancel each other out, allowing a spacecraft to hover. L1 is located 1.5 million kilometers, 932,000 miles, from the Earth, which is 1% of the Earth-Sun distance. From this vantage point it will be able to watch the Sun constantly, even during eclipses and occultations, and carry out scientific studies. The orbiter carries 7 scientific instruments which will observe and study the solar corona, the outermost layer, the photosphere, the Sun's surface, or the part we see from the Earth, and the chromosphere, a thin layer of plasma that lies between the photosphere and the corona. Scientists say the mission will help them understand solar activity, such as the solar wind and solar flares, and their effect on Earth and near-space weather in real time. The radiation, heat and flow of particles and magnetic fields of the Sun constantly influence the Earth's weather. They also impact the space weather where nearly 7,800 satellites, including more than 50 from India, are stationed. Scientists say Aditya can help better understand, and even give a forewarning, about solar winds or eruptions a couple of days ahead, which will help India and other countries move satellites out of harm's way. ISRO has not given details of the mission's cost, but reports in the Indian press have put it at 3.78 billion rupees, which is approximately $46 million or €36 million. The success of Aditya L1 mission means India joins a select group of countries that are already studying the Sun. The U.S. space agency NASA has been watching the Sun since the 1960s. Japan launched its first solar mission in 1981, and the European Space Agency, ESA, has been observing the Sun since the 1990s. But the latest mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation is the first by any country in Asia to be placed in orbit around the Sun. Thank you for watching. If you're fascinated by space and the wonders it holds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Genius Glimpse.